Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join these two pieces. Buying my Addi, I started a hat, but my Addi knitting machine didn't like it. So I ended up finishing with my own hands, just to want to show you. So this is like a small size hat that will fit. So what I did is, after seeing this gorgeous stitch, I did a tutorial, so go and check it out. It's just the two videos before this one. So what I did is I knit up this piece, and I finished it, as you can see. So, and then I started the tutorial with you guys, and I finished the entire ball. So I thought to myself, if I rip this and then work it on, why would I waste all this time, right? So I'm going to show you this trick. I don't know if it's out there. It must be out there. I don't know. But I just wanted to share it with you guys. So what you need is a crochet hook. So the scarf is going to be longer instead of, ripping this and then continue knitting. I thought, why not just join that and save time and work on another projects that I have. So these are going to go to the homeless. The funny part is I finished with the red, and I already have a red here. So I have circular needles here, and you can put them on the waste yarn if you want, but I didn't bother too much time. So what I'm going to do is, with my crochet hook, I am going to, what happened here? It went bright suddenly. So what I'm going to do is, and I knit up, see, I don't waste my yarn at all. What I did is I knit up all the way here, and it's like I weaved it, but I knit it up and I finished it. So it is secure there. So what I'm going to do is, and the crochet hook, this is a chunky yarn, by the way. I don't know what's going on with my camera here. It's getting very bright suddenly. Let me see. Sorry about that. So the crochet hook is a 4.5 crochet hook. Let me have it focus. It's focusing over there. Anyways, it's a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. So what I'm going to do is, focusing on the end of the scarf here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab a stitch from here with my crochet hook. This is the easiest way. And then I'm going to grab one from here. Just like this. And I'm just gonna do this. Okay, and then I'm going to grab one here and then go like this. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this on each stitch one at a time, just like this. One from one part. Okay, this came out. This isn't good. So I'll just grab it from here. I will weave that end, and then, so one from here, one from there, one from here. That's what I'm doing. Okay, one from there, one from the other one. Okay, it's like it's gonna look like you have picked up stitches. So I thought this was a genius idea. What do you think? I don't know. Instead of ripping it, right? That happens to a lot. You start some project and then you start with a different yarn, and then you have to rip it. So this way, I don't have to rip it. Just continue joining it like this. There's another way to join with the needles, but I think this method is way easy. So I will continue doing this all the way to the end, and I will come back. Okay, so I'm at the end, and we have 2 stitches left, so I'm going to grab this one and then just pull it like this, and this last one, yeah, it's done. So finished another scarf for the homeless. It's a great feeling. Okay, I have this left, so I'll just weave it, nothing to worry about. But before I do that, I'm going to secure this. Just I'm going to chain a couple of chains, and I will weave this. Ta-da! Okay, I know no one would like this, but I'm going to show you another trick. This tutorial is full of tricks. Okay, let me move this hat. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, well, it's hardly, you can't even see it actually, you know, but I can see it. See, there's a line here, but it's really hard to see. Okay, let me see if I can make a closer picture. Can you see? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a scrap yarn here somewhere. I have I'm just going to grab this black yarn just to show you my trick. Well, actually, I saw this on Facebook. Oh, I am so bad with names. I'm so sorry. She lives in Leduc. If you're watching this tutorial, this idea came from you, actually. She was making a headband, and she taped a video, so let me see if I can find her name. Maybe she wouldn't feel comfortable giving out me her name, but she knows who she is. She actually bought some yarn from me. Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. Hi! Hi! She lives in Leduc, so she's the one who taped this, and I got the idea, so it's one of the tutorials that, this is one of the tutorials that inspired me. Okay, so what I did is, let me get this back to normal. Okay. So I put on a black yarn. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, let's just move this. So my trick is, it's like making a mattress stitch. Okay, so I'm just gonna go between here. I need to grab 2 stitches, so I'll do it this way, I guess. And then I'll just leave a little bit because we're going to pull that like that. And then I'm going to jump all the way here and grab 2 like these, like, you know, when we sew up and we do the mattress stitch. So going to pull it like this and leave this. I'm going to weave this at the end, and I'm going to continue doing this. So it's sometimes hard, so just grab like 2. You need to grab 2, and then I am going to continue like this. 2, it has to be 2 to get rid of this line here. Okay, so I will continue doing this all the way to this here end, and you can do anything with this, like this system. I believe it's a genius idea. Okay, so I will meet you at the end. Okay, so I went all the way to the end, and I am pulling this last. So here's the magic becomes. I know this is really hard. It's not noticeable, but most of the things it will be like most of the other colors probably it's showing because of this yarn. As you can see, there's different colors like red, blue, purple in it. So yeah, maybe that's why it's not showing. So what I'm going to do is, here the magic begins. Let me get this closer. So I am going to pull from these two ends just like this. Well, I can't do it two ends, so I will pull it from here. And see? Can't even see the yarn. Ta-da! Look! Oh my goodness, it is magical. The reason I did it with blacks for you guys to see the black yarn. So I'm going to pull this, and I don't want to break the yarn. So as you can see, this part is still there. So I will continue pulling it slowly. And then I'll be right back because it's going to take me a while to pull. Okay, here we go. This is how it looks like. See, it looks like one piece. If you look at this way, looks like it's continuing. So I just wanted to share, you know, instead of ripping it apart, what you can do is you can just continue adding it and don't waste, you know, this is time consuming, even this little piece. So I just add it to that and I lengthen the scarf. So I hope you like this tutorial. Let me just fold it and show it to you. Oh, it's on the other side. Here we go. Ta-da! If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting!